Okay, this is an old abandoned hospital. I just spoke with the owner, Tiffany, and she is going to send me, or I can go to her Facebook page and get pictures of the inside. She's a drummer in a band. She owns all of this property, and she's gonna slowly get this place fixed up. And she said I can walk around and be to the outside, but it's dangerous inside, and so until she gets things done, she doesn't want people going in. People have been going in and breaking in and stuff, but she's going to let me, she's going to give me a bunch of history, and I can get the photos off and use them in some kind of video. So this is a sneak peek of what is going to come when we get more of it together. I don't know how much you can see in there, but she did say it opened up as a hospital in 1917. And it's been abandoned for quite a while. This is in Hawthorne, Nevada. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And she's gonna make a musician studio and some other things. Community center, place for artists to rent a space to do their work, whatever it is. I'm gonna go back over here and give you the full shot. I would have never guessed this was a hospital once. Look at that. She grew up here for many years and used to say, whoever lives in this place gotta be rich, and now she owns it. Isn't that funny? Let's see what's over here. She's it's about 7,000 square feet, she said, I think, and she's got 2,000 of it cleaned up a little bit, but she's got a lot more to do. And she lives right here on the property, so don't try, if you recognize the building, don't come here. Don't come here and try to break in and mess things up. That's just not right. People do that and they have no respect for other people's property. That's why I don't go into people's property. If I have to, I won't break in. I won't do anything like that. I don't take anything. It's just against. Oh, look at this old sign. Patients parking, we gotta get that. Right there's the only thing there's the only thing that makes it known that this was a hospital. Wow, that is cool. And then that, I don't even know if you can read it. Private parking, employees only. I can't read the bottom of it. Patients parking, I think, was this way. Or that way. Or that way. Yeah. So now, she told me about the courthouse in town. So, this is an old hospital. And don't come here and mess up her property. Come on. Be real. If you're coming this way, don't break in. She's doing this all by herself, restoring this building. And she doesn't need people coming in and breaking things, making her have to replace them, windows, doors. You know, that's just really makes it hard. She's going to try to make the community center here a place for artists to do stuff, a music studio for people that play music. She's doing good things. So if you come here, go ahead and look on the outside like I'm doing, but don't try to get in. Thanks. I love you guys. Please like and subscribe. And we're at 300. We're going. Thanks. Peace.